Check the green light.
Okay. Saan? You check.
Ayun. Ayun. Check it. Ayun, 7-Eleven. And you see that? Check it. You can check it.
You check it. Siya mo ito kung makakapasok. Ayan. Meron nga din ng seafood chuba. Yan, kakakain. Yung mo, this way. Saan na chips mo? Buy chips and Coca-Cola. This way, oh. Another one fridge ko. Oh, this one is the Pepsi. Hindi doon pa kumuha.
Pareho lang yun.
Excuse me, yung
Coca-Cola. I get your Coca-Cola.
Excuse me.
I get your Coca-Cola.
No, not that one.
Small only.
Opo, small only.
Check the big Coca-Cola.
Ano ito? Ano naman ito?
Mango. Strawberry.
Ano mo masarap ito, mango? Mango yan?
50 pesos. Kasi yung malaking Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. I get it.
It's too big.
Open the fridge. Open the fridge. Open the fridge.
Go find your chips na lang. Oh, yan na.
Cashier.
It's
I
too
mean,
big.
Coca-Cola. Cashier. Check open.
It's not the red one yun.
It's big.
It's different.
It's big.
This one.
Eh, Coke Zero. Yung Pepsi na lang.
Yes.
44.
Lalagoy ko lang.
Ah, what's that?
I get the Pepsi. Other one.
No.
Other one Pepsi.
One only. You
I
don't
want
have money na. One
Other one
only.
Pepsi is there up there.
Yes, but you get
I
na
get
one.
Pepsi. I get the Pepsi up there.
Meron pa tayo dalawa.
Kaya nga pag ano dito dito.
Magkano dito? 84. 84 ata. Later, daddy pa.
Pepsi.
99 dito. Give to cashier.
Daddy.
Doon, sa other side.
Give it here. Come on.
Doon, sa other
Daddy, please go pay na.
cashier.
It's 7-Eleven.
Yun na yung open na niyo.
Masugatan ko.
I get the 7-Eleven.
Masugatan niyo
No,
makalim.
yung mo, it's not for you.
I want a 7. I get it.
No, it's not yours.
I get it. I get it.
Hindi yan sa'yo.
Find it with ka.
O, yung pan chips daw, pan chips.
Via.
Tanghala ka mo.
I get the 7-Eleven.
Ang laki.
7-Eleven. I get the
Yung ano?
No, not. It's not a toy. Let's wait the cashier.
I get the cassette in the 7-Eleven. I get it.
No.
It's a Pepsi only. It's not a toy. It's 7-Eleven. Let's go, Kaya. Let's go, Kaya. Kaya na. Go, Kaya.
Ayan, si Daddy Car. Asan ba cashier? Ilang tao?
I can. That.
Look, there's a turtle here. What's this? A turtle? A octopus?
Go.
Ano cashier?
Brown 7-Eleven gun.
Yes.
I get it from 7-Eleven.
Are you?
7-Eleven.
What's this?
7-Eleven.
Do not shout. Wait, the cashier. Wala cashier. You call the cashier.
Cashier. 7-Eleven and Pepsi. What 7-Eleven? This is Pepsi. It's not Pepsi. P-E-P-S-T-I.
For?
Or Pepsi.
Galing ah.
You see that? In 7-Eleven, you see that?
Oh, you spell 7-Eleven.
E-U-L-E-B-E-E-N.
Or?
What?
For?
11. No, we need to spell this. The spell.
Oh, spell it. Double mean. Double mean.
I want a Pepsi. For 11. No, chips and the 7-Eleven go inside. What is this?
Ito na.
Pepsi.
Ito po.
Pepsi.
Order na cashier pay na. Give to kuya. Ay, no, not this one. Oh, space. Put in there lang. You give your Pepsi na kay kuya. Ay, we would need to pay. Like there. Punch. Oh, yun mo. You go there.